Let me show you what to do if you have perhaps forgotten your PIN, pattern or password on your Google Pixel 10 or 10a and you can't gain access to the phone anymore. So the only thing we can do is do a factory reset on this phone. That essentially involves deleting all the data on the phone, so all the pictures and videos you have on it also will get obviously deleted. And again, this is really the only way how to recover it. So if you want to do it, what you have to do is you simply have to first press and hold the power button plus the volume up, basically to reboot the phone. And then once it shuts down, we are going to jump to holding the power plus volume down. So let's do it. So the power plus up, and yeah, basically hold it, maybe like 10 seconds it takes. So the up plus power. So you see it shuts down, and jump to holding the power plus volume down. So again, the down plus power. And keep holding. It takes sometimes up to like half a minute to boot up. Okay, let's see how long it takes actually. Okay, so you see we are in this fast boot mode. Next, using your volume buttons, we want to navigate to the recovery mode over here and confirm with the power. It will reboot again. Okay, you will see this dead Android man. What you have to do is you have to press your power plus up. So first the power press and hold, and then up and release. So you see you get access to this factory menu essentially, where you can essentially like wipe it clean essentially. So navigate down to this wipe date factory reset and simply confirm with the power button. Okay, and then again click down here on the factory date reset and again confirm with the power button if you want to do that. I won't do that at the moment as I do not want to delete my phone, but yeah, essentially as you are basically going to press it again, it will wipe everything from your phone. So again, all your data, pictures, videos will get completely deleted. Also, when you actually set up your phone, it will ask in one of the steps to log in into your old Google account that you had on the device. So just to confirm that you are actually indeed the owner of this phone. So if you do not know your Google like password on it, perhaps do not do it. Otherwise, you can brick your phone essentially. But yeah, once you do that again, it will wipe all the PIN, pattern, password, Face ID, and the fingerprint unlock as well. Okay, good luck.